Facts, came through for that show. Been ballin' Derrick Rose. Ooh, I tasted those wins. Had a few, I need more. Think I'm back in my bag. We been living too fast. Got my brothers right behind.
Today I've got a bunch of stuff I gotta get ready. Obviously I'm in the car wash right now. So usually the end of the month we end off with a bang. We end up doing the Sunday Fun Day ride. This month's a little bit different because me and the guys and a couple other people are going to be in the mountains and we're gonna be doing some riding out there for a week. So that means no Sunday Fun Day and we're actually canceling the last bike night of the month, unfortunately. But to make up for that, we are doing a Saturday night fun ride, which is a little bit different than what we typically do. But the exciting part is that there's a lot of people who can't make the Sunday rides and a lot of people who can't make Tuesday night bike night. So I feel like we're gonna see a lot of new faces out here tonight. I'm super excited about that. Anyway, I've got a lot of things I gotta get ready for this trip and I'm running out of time because of course I waited to the last minute. The next couple videos that you're gonna see after this one are going to be up in the mountains. I'm super excited to get some content up there. Obviously this is the first time I've taken the new bike up to the mountains and it's time to see what this bike can really do. But anyway, I'm gonna get my chores taken care of and I'll see you guys tonight. We made it to the first stop. Yeah.
Out of here.
Who's looking at the back of your head? Alright, Radiant, first stop.
Yeah, that's how we do it over here. Bear Riders in the house, Tampa, Florida.
It's gonna be a good night. We're early and we still got, I don't know, probably another half hour, 45 minutes to go. We already have a bunch of people showing up. It's gonna be a big ride. Probably the biggest Saturday night ride we've had in a long time, so let's see how this all goes down. We're a couple minutes away from taking off here. I gotta say, we probably got, I don't know, 80, 90 people here, or 80, 90 bikes, something like that. Huge group of people. And we're gonna head on to MotoVlog Gear, which is actually gonna bring on more people. We have created.
Thought I told y'all that it's mine, whoa. They ain't try me yet, get your mind blown. When they throw shade, that's when I glow. I'm so ahead of y'all, that's a different time zone. Ooh, I gotta go. I've been working, told them please don't hit my phone. I'm in my zone, bruh, just leave me alone. Was on the road, but I swear I'm coming home. Now the drinks on me, I think we need it.
Friday, first stop down. And there's more people here waiting. It's awesome. Alright, MotoVlog Gear. I don't know if you can hear me. MotoVlog Gear is happening tonight. I haven't seen a night like this in years. It's been a long time.
We got here fast.
Look at this guy. What's up, Frank?
Oh, buddy, how you doing?
Good.
Good ride so far?
Yeah, it's badass, right?
Yeah, on the way to the Skyway.
Hell yeah. Well, we're doing the Skyway North. We're not going over the
I was gonna ask, really? Are we?
we're just gonna go to the north side. Whatever.
We're gonna go over the Skyway?
It's windy as hell, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty windy tonight.
Let's see what
Hey.
they had advisories and stuff, but
And with ears like that, you don't want to go over the sky.
yeah, feel like a kite, boy.
You're looking young tonight, boy. Look at that.
He's not amused. It's been a long time since we've seen these numbers on a Saturday night. Huh?
Nice ride over here.
Yeah, hell yeah. This is just the first stop, boy. I put the whole lineup on the page so that way everybody knows where we're going and time frames too. I said we'd be here at 9:30, it's 9:24.
Wow.
Yo.
Damn, I know geometry.
We all did the speed limit.
We all did the speed limit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Everyone down here safely.
So from here, we're gonna head on over to the Skyway. We're not actually going over the Skyway, but we're gonna at least hit up the North Fishing Pier. It's very windy out, and I don't want to go. Mike will definitely fly away with his ears, so to protect him, we're just not gonna cross the actual Skyway. Not only do we have all of Wawa filled up, but we also have the back completely filled up too. So we're gonna chill here for like 30 minutes if we can, if we don't get kicked out of here first. How is it over here? Keeping up? Pretty good. It wasn't too bad, right? How many wheelies you do?
None. Zero.
None? What? Why'd you even build a stunt bike then?
Hello. Billy Toll, just a moment.
Wait till you meet the cashier.
Yeah? Nice. Alright, so long rides require long, wait, they don't require long snacks, that's weird. They just require snacks in general. What you doing?
I'll be right back.
Okay. Stupid. Where's the Yosas? My body's a temple and I care about what goes in it.
Thought I told y'all that it's my world. They ain't try me yet. Get your mind blown. When they throw shade, that's when I glow. I'm so ahead of y'all, that's a different time zone. Face came through for that show. Been ballin' Derrick Rose. Ooh, I tasted those wins. Had a few on Nemo. Think I'm back in my bag. We been living too fast. Got my brothers right behind. Ooh, they got my bag. Seen these people talking, but they jealous of me.
I look purple. These lights at the Skyway are straight blue. I don't get it. I don't know what their deal is. We made it. This is the Skyway. This is the North Fishing Pier rest area. Yo, what's up?
Gotta make it out.
The night's still young. We're making good time. We're gonna head to Brandon next, and we have the route figured out. We're just trying to get the exit names and stuff like that.
Never listen when they try to tell it to me. And dog, I lost so many people, that's a blessing to me. Yeah, I took too many L's, but they lessons to me. Thought I told y'all that it's my world. They ain't try me yet. Get your mind blown. When they throw shade, that's when I glow. I'm so ahead of y'all, that's a different time.
Damn. That's what I'm talking about. We got a good night going. Stopping some kick-off.
Man, what a nice ride, man. Good turnout.
It's good. I'm glad that you have like the loudest system in the world. I can hear you from the back. We got like 200 bikes out here.
Oh, man. And it's 12 o'clock. The night has just begun.
It's only 12 o'clock.
Nice.
We're gonna go to Ybor. Ybor's blocked off for the night. So we can't even go to Ybor right now anyway, so I don't really know what we're gonna do. We're gonna figure that out here in a minute.
Thought I told y'all that it's my world. They ain't try me yet. Get your mind blown. When they throw shade, that's when I glow. I'm so ahead of y'all.
Yeah, boy.
Different time zone.
Yeah, boy.
We been living too fast. Got my brothers right behind. Oh, they got my bag. Seen these people talking, but they jealous.
We love Scooter Park. If you don't know where Scooter Park is, you'll have to come ride with us one of these nights because it's a lot of fun. It's a nice little hangout spot. It's real nice. Well, this is Frank, and he litters.
Let's show the world what Frank has done.
Look what he did.
He has littered
Look what he did.
our earth.
Dude,
I believe it's
pick it up, bro.
Carlos dropped it. I didn't do it. He did it.
This thing's sick. It's got those white letters on it. Wrapped exhaust. That thing's badass. No, that's, don't do that. That's bad. Why would you do that?
Stick in.
No, stick it in the thing.
Yeah.
Let's shoot things out of his exhaust.
We're not doing this.
Why?
What up? Let's go.
Thank you to everybody that came out. It was a blast. Plan on doing this again, maybe once a month. I would like to do this once a month. along with the Sunday Funday ride. That's gonna be my last ride on the BMW until the mountains, which tomorrow this is getting thrown in the truck and we're gonna be heading out to do the mountain runs. So that'll be cool. The next upcoming videos are gonna be from the mountains, so stay tuned for that if you're curious about what we get into up there. And yeah, we'll see you next time.
Never listen when they try to tell it to me. And dog, I lost so many people, that's a blessing to me. Yeah, I took too many L's, but they lessons to me. Thought I told y'all that it's mine, whoa. They ain't try me yet, get your mind blown. When they throw shade, that's when I glow. I'm so ahead.